Welcome to Smartella Academy. If you've ever wondered how modern businesses scale from zero to millions, or how a single ad can transform a struggling brand into a household name, you are in the right place. This is just another theoretical lecture. This is a complete 5-module masterclass designed to take you from an absolute beginner to a confident digital marketer. Over the next minutes, we are going to cover everything: the fundamental psychology of marketing, funnel, organic and paid social media, search engine optimization and dominance, content strategy, and the exact data analytics that you need to track your success. By the end of this video, you will even know how to build your very own marketing campaign from scratch. Module 1: Foundations. The first foundation I will be talking about for digital marketing is Introduction to Digital Marketing. At its core, marketing has always been about one simple rule: go where the people are. Decades ago, that meant billboards on busy highways or commercial breaks in a prime time television. Today, the eyeballs are all on screen. Digital marketing is the practice of promoting products or services using digital channels to connect with current and prospective customers. The unfair advantages of digital marketing over traditional marketing comes down to three things. First, precise targeting. You can't control who drive past a billboard, but online, you can show an ad only to 25 years old dog owner living in Chicago who loves hiking. Two, two-way communication. It is a conversation, not a monologue. Customers can review, comment, and engage. Three, measurability. You know exactly how much it will cost you to get a user to click on your link and buy your product. The second foundation is the marketing funnel. But you can't ask someone to buy from you the second they meet you. That is where marketing funnel comes in. Think of it as a roadmap for a customer's journey. First, TOFU, top of the funnel. That is awareness. This is where strangers discover you exist. Your goal here isn't to sell. It is to educate, entertain, and get noticed. MOFU, middle of funnel. This is where consideration comes in. Now, they know you and they are evaluating you against competitors. They are reading your blogs, downloading your free guide, and weighing their options. BOFU, bottom of funnel. Conversion, the decision point. This is where you pitch your product, offer a discount, or showcase a powerful case study to close the sale. Retention and loyalty. The funnel doesn't stop at the sale. Happy customers become repeat buyer and brand advocate who brings in more people to the top of your funnel. Module 2, social media marketing. First, Facebook marketing. With billions of active users daily, Facebook is the undisputed heavyweight of data-driven advertising. While organic reach on Facebook has declined over the years, its paid ecosystem, Meta Ads Manager, is a powerhouse. When marketing on Facebook, your secret weapon is MetaPixel. It's a tiny piece of code you install on your website that tracks user behavior. It allows you to run retargeting campaign, showing ads to people who visited your website but left without buying. If you want to scale a business rapidly, master Facebook lookalike audience, which finds millions of new users who match the exact profile of your best existing customer. 2, Instagram marketing. If Facebook is the engine, Instagram is the storefront. Instagram is a highly visual, culture-driven platform. To succeed here, you need to master three pillars. One, the grid. Your portfolio, it must look clean, branded, and immediately tells a visitor what you solve. Stories, your relationship builder. This is where you show the behind the scene of your brand. Run polls and talk directly to your audience daily. And the third one is Reels, your reach accelerator. Reels are favored by the Instagram algorithm to push your content to people who don't follow you yet. The key to Instagram is simple: aesthetic, visual combined with high value, scroll stopping hooks. 3. LinkedIn marketing. Now, let's pivot to B2B, business to business. If you are selling software, consulting, high ticket service, or corporate training, LinkedIn is your good mind. Unlike Facebook and Instagram, people browse LinkedIn with a professional mindset. They want to advance their careers or grow their business. Organic strategy: publish through leadership content, share industry insights, mistakes you've made, or frameworks that showcase your expertise. Paid strategy: LinkedIn ads are more expensive per click, but the targeting is unmatched. You can target people by their exact job title, company size, and specific industry. Is about quality of leads over quantity. Module 3, search marketing. Social media marketing is interruption marketing. Users are looking at photos of their friends and you interrupt them with an ad. Search marketing is different. It is intent marketing. The user is actively searching for a solution to solve their problem. If they type best digital marketing course, they are already primed to buy. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the art and science of ranking your website on the first page of Google organically, meaning for free. It splits into three critical areas. First area, on-page SEO. This involves keywords research. Find out what phrase your audience search and place those keywords naturally in your titles, headings, and body text. 2. Off-page SEO. Google measure your website authority based on how many other reputable websites link back to you. These are called backlink and they act like votes of confidence. Technical SEO. If your website takes 10 seconds to load or looks terrible on mobile, Google will penalize you. Speed, responsiveness, and clear site architecture matters. 2. Google Ads. SEO takes months to show results. If you want traffic today, you use Google Ads. This functions on a pay-per-click PPC model. You bid on specific keywords. When someone searches for the keywords, your ad appears at the absolute top of the page, and you only pay when someone actually clicks your link. The magic of a great Google ad lies in marketing the user's intent with a highly relevant headline and a frictioned landing page. Module 4, content marketing. Content is the fuel for your digital marketing machine. Without valuable content, your social media will be empty. Your SEO will have nothing to rank and your ads will fall flat. First, blogging and copywriting. Blogging isn't a dead diary format, it's a strategic pillar By consistently writing in-depth, valuable blog posts that solves user problems, you are positioning your brand as the ultimate industry expert. But writing content requires copywriting, the art of using words to persuade, whether it's a blog conclusion, an ad headline, or a website landing page. Good copy focuses on benefits, not just features. Don't just tell them what your problem does. Tell them how it transforms their life. Two, email marketing. Algorithm change, ad cost fluctuate, but you own your own email list. Email marketing remains the channel with the highest return on investment, ROI, in the digital space. The process is simple. Firstly, offer a lead magnet. Give away something valuable for free, like an ebook, checklist, or discount code in the exchange of their email address. Two, nurture via automation. Set an automation email sequence that welcome new subscribers, provide continuous values, and naturally introduce your paid offers. Your email list is a community of people who have explicitly invited you into their personal inbox. Treat that privilege with respect. Module 5, analytics. As the saying goes, what gets measured gets managed. If you aren't looking at your data, you are marketing in the dark. Google Analytics, GA4. Google Analytics is the industry standard tool for understanding exactly what happens once people arrive on your website. It answers crucial questions. Where is your traffic coming from? Is it Facebook, Google search, or email? Which pages do they spend time most on? At what point do they close the tab and leave? By analyzing this user's behavior, you can lean heavily into what's working and completely eliminate what isn't. Two, conversion tracking. Traffic is a vanity metric. If 1 million people visit your site but nobody buys, your business goes under. You need conversion tracking. A conversion is any meaningful action you want a user to take. It could be making of a purchase, filling out a contact form, or clicking a download button. By tracking your conversion rate, you can optimize your marketing funnel. For example, if you notice 1,000 people looks at your checkout page, but only 2 people buy, you know the problem isn't your marketing. The problem is your checkout process. Fix that and your revenue multiplies. Let's tie everything we've learned today into a real world step-by-step marketing campaign setup. When you launch your next campaign, follow the exact checklist. 1. Define your goals. Are you looking for awareness, tofu, consideration, mofu, or conversion, bofu? 2. Identify your audience. Write down your target customers' demographics, interests, and plan and pain points. 3. Choose your channel. Is it a visual product? Start with Instagram. Is it a B2B, business to business? Use LinkedIn. If there is a high search engine intent, use Google Ads. 4. Create your content. Write a compelling headlines for copyright and pair it with a clean visual asset. 5. Set up tracking. Ensure your Google Analytics and tracking pixel are active before you spend a single dime. 6. Launch, monitor, and optimize. Let your campaign run a few days. Look at the data, adjust your targeting or budget based on performance, and scale up the winners. Digital marketing is a journey of continuous experimentation and learning. You now have the fundamental framework, the channel strategies, and the analytics mindset to dominate the digital landscape. Thank you.